everybody.
Hey guys.
Welcome to Let's Play RC, and today the X-Maxx will be getting a new ESC.
The Hobbywing Max 6.
Coming up.
Hey guys, so welcome back. If you're new around here, my name's Calvin. I run this channel with my son Dylan, but Dylan is pretty busy with hockey and school and stuff. He's getting a little overwhelmed, so there's going to be some videos without him. Anyways, today we're going to install this Hobbywing Max 6 Waterproof ESC 8-cell capable into my Traxxas X-Maxx. So I had some problems with this ESC in here. It started doing Christine, if you've ever seen the movie, basically does whatever it wants. So we're gonna swap it out with this guy, and hopefully that fixes the problem. So we'll take you up top and we'll see what's going on. So we'll just remove the body quickly. Also, we're gonna remove this brace here, just so that there's easier access. Okay, so you have 4 screws here, 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 here. Then you have these 4 here, 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 right? And then upside down, you have 1 screw per hole. These 4 here, and then you have 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. If you remove all those screws, then that top piece will come off. So we'll get that done. Disconnect your motor from the old ESC, and then the battery wires there as well. There. That's just going to make life easier. Pretty simple procedure as far as getting the old ESC out. So all the chassis screws were the 2.5 mil, and you'll need a 2 mil for the ESC. 2 screws, 1 here and 1 on the other side, right there. That's pretty simple. So the cover will come off. Then you want to get into your receiver box. Again, 2.5 mil, 2 screws, 1 on either side here. So there's the receiver box. Don't lose your waterproof seal. And then your waterproof cover or wire port, like so. Let's put that stuff aside. And you're going to unplug the old ESC, which is in port 2. We're going to gently maneuver that out, and there's the old ESC. Now, anybody who knows Dylan and I really like our Traxxas products. It's what we started on. Unfortunately, we seem to find that Traxxas electronics don't always hold up. It's kind of unfortunate. It's something we've heard all over the internet as well, so we're not the only ones that discuss that issue. So that's the servo plug can stay. Now let's see the new ESC, Hobbywing, fits well. I guess it'll go this direction. Here. And you're going to want to push that all the way back. I do know this much. So that your cover will fit back on. So this one, you want this all the way back here. I suppose you could put this in whatever direction you want. This direction might be easier because then you can plug in right here, like so. Not even any need for these extra leads that way. And then your ESC or your servo plug is here, so we'd fish that back through, and then you got to figure out where you want to put that. So yeah, that'll work good. So because this truck runs 2 batteries in series here, you are going to want to remove this stuff and reuse it. Well, that's what I'm going to do. I mean, I suppose you could get new connectors and stuff, but I don't see the point in that. It's going to be pretty simple. So the red would go here like so, the black to here like so, and then you're gonna fish this lead the way it is. So we'll take you over to the workbench. Alright guys, so putting your connectors on the Max 6 is going to be pretty easy. I'm going to reuse these. Now I know some of you are gonna give me crap about it because they're Traxxas connectors, whatever, but like we've explained many times, Dylan and I started with Traxxas, so most of our batteries have Traxxas connectors, so therefore it's just easier. So this is going to be quite simple. This splice lead is going to stay exactly where it is. So we just get some side cutters and we'll cut off the leads from the actual ESC to the connectors. There, as I said, we're going to leave the series connector, that way we don't get confused. We're going to do one at a time. So I know that this is going to be the power and or the positive negative is there. Okay guys, so another way, if you keep your series plug on there and you look at the series plug goes into negative on this one, which means positive goes into there from your ESC, and then vice versa for this side. So if you're worried about any confusion, that's another simple way to get the right end on the right end. So that one's done. And we'll get the negative done. Pretty simple, easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they say. And there she is. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you put your connectors on your new Hobbywing ESC. Like I said, you can use any connector you want. I chose to go with the Traxxas ones, reuse them off the old ESC, because that's what I'm running on all my batteries is Traxxas, so it makes it easier. So we'll head back over and install. We're going to make sure we have a proper fit before we stick this down. We're going to clean the tray up so that the sticker actually sticks once we do that. like I said, I've chosen to put it in this way so that I can just plug my motor wires right into there. Right, which means once that's all in, is the cover and antenna gonna fit? And it will. So there's no need to actually do any modification. I mean, it is a tight squeeze, but I assume once those are out of the way and this is squeezed down, it should be good. So if you want, you could trim these fins out here, right here, so that this, but I think I'd rather keep that gap there so that the heat from the motor to the ESC and vice versa doesn't affect one another. So in the package for the Max 6 Hobbywing, they give you these 2 pieces of double-sided tape. This little one you're probably going to want to use for your power switch, which we'll mount later. So we're just going to use the large piece for now. Let's see if I can keep things organized. And we are going to put that on the bottom here. And we've already cleaned the surface that we want to put it on. And again, I want mine back as far as possible. And we're going to press her into place. Like so. And then, before I test any new electronics like this, I'm going to remove the tires from the truck so that if it does go crazy on me, the truck doesn't go flying out of control. There's that. Now, plug these in. I'm not entirely sure if it matters which way they go. So I could open up the trusty manual and double check it.